In today's lesson, we are going to be learning an oldie but a goodie. So if you're wanting to learn how to play Hotel California by the Eagles, then stick around and let's get into the lesson. Welcome back to my channel, and any new subscribers, it's awesome to have you here. I'm the Stellar Guitarist, and on my channel I like to teach short, sweet and simple guitar lessons. So for today's lesson, we need to make sure that our capo is on the second fret. So the first chord progression that we're going to look at consists of 8 chords, which are played in the introduction and all the verses, as well as during all the solos. So let's dive into those chords. The first chord you're going to need is an A minor, E7, G major, D major. Next up we have an F major chord. Now for those of you who are complete beginners to the guitar, the F chord is a bar chord and can be really difficult to play. So my suggestion would be to rather opt for playing the slightly easier version called F major 7. You'll get a very similar sound with hardly any of the effort. Next up we have C major, D minor and E7. Let's play through those chords together. So the strumming pattern that we're going to be learning today is used throughout the entire song, and it sounds like this. Down, up, up, down, up, down, up. On a dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw shimmering lights. I hit too heavy and my sight grew dim. So the chord progression used for the chorus, we're going to be starting on an F chord. Completely up to you. Again, you are more than welcome to use the full bar chord for the F. Or for the purpose of this lesson, I will be using the F major 7 chord. The next chord shape is a C to E7 and to A minor. The second half of the chorus starts on an F again, back to C, then we're going to go to a D minor chord shape, and then ending on an E7. Welcome to the Hotel California, such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Living it up at the Hotel California, what a nice surprise. Bring your alibis. Right, there you have it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. I've simplified it as much as possible so that you can get as much joy out of playing this awesome song. Thank you again for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notifications button, and please like this video. It really helps me and builds my channel up. If you'd also like to drop down into my comment sections and just say hi or comment a song that you'd like me to teach, that would be awesome, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Bye!